Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, stock market researcher and investor. I'm talking to you live from Mombasa City. I'm by the beach side, just enjoying life here in Mombasa. Today's topic is this: why you need to hold shares for long term. Well, generally speaking, I'm a person who urges guys to buy and sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and grow money quickly. But I'm getting challenged by one guy called Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab says that the reason you need to hold stocks for long term is, one and foremost, you need to avoid taxes. Charles Schwab is an American fund manager. He has been in the American market for close to 40 years managing people's money. He invests in the stock market. His reasoning is very simple. When you buy shares and when you sell shares, you are taxed twice. And he says that these taxes, if you do it regularly, he says that these taxes becomes a lot with time. So his strategy is very simple. He says that to grow money, then you need to invest more, hold the shares longer, and don't sell. In fact, Charles Schwab says that you need to hold the shares for 10 years. 10 years holding shares. Ladies and gentlemen, I may not agree with him fully, but hey, he has more experience than me. Why don't I agree with him fully on 10 years holding shares? Let's take a sample. If you have held Safaricom shares for 10 years, probably you're in the profit. That's a good share. If you have held some shares like Bamburi Cement for even 5 years, since 7 years, since 2015 to now, you are in losses. So the reason you may want to avoid buying shares and selling is to avoid taxes, according to Charles Schwab. But there's a greater danger. And the danger is, if you hold shares for long term, the danger is those shares can also drop in prices. We have case in point, Bamburi Cement. It has dropped in prices from around 2005, 2015, 2014, 2015. Bamburi Cement was 190. Actually, 20 even to 250 shillings. As I'm speaking to you, is about 30 shillings. 34, 35. Another case in point is British American Tobacco, BAT. Around there, 2015, 2014, about 9 years, 8 years ago, 7 years or so, BAT was 1,030 shillings. As I'm speaking to you today, and I'm speaking to you, I'm in Mombasa Beach, just enjoying the good waters and the cool waters. BAT dropped from 1,000 shillings and 50 shillings, 1,050 shillings to 400 shillings. That is a drop of more than 60%. Is it the only share? No. There are many others. Athi River Mining have collapsed to zero. Kenya Airways collapsed to nearly zero. Mumias Sugar the same. Uchumi shares the same. So this idea of holding shares for long term, it's good for some shares. Let me say it's been good for the American market. Apple company has done well. Amazon has done well. Google, or the parent company is called Alphabet, has done well in 10 years. It has not been the same case with Kenya. In Kenya, some companies have done well. In Kenya, some companies have done terribly. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are investing, good, invest. but you need to consider this company's balance sheet, consider this company's earnings, consider this company's profits, consider this company's management. Some companies have done terribly. Some companies have done well. Safaricom has done well, Equity has done well, KCB has done well, among other companies. So Charles Schwab says, when investing, invest for the long term. And he shares the same wisdom with Warren Buffett. True, I support them. Invest for the long term. It has some good returns. It has some good benefits. But remember, there are ups and downs. There are pros and cons. If you want to know more about the stock market, join us. I have an online class on Telegram. I teach stock market and cryptocurrency. Also, I teach people how to make money and invest money in the stock market. If you are a member of a church, invite me to your church. I'm ready to talk about cryptocurrency. If you are a member of an investment club, invite me to the investment club. I'm ready to talk about cryptocurrency. If you are a member of any organization, call me. I'm ready to discuss about stock market and cryptocurrency. Otherwise, bye-bye. See you in the next video.